We have added a new feature into the Management Console, so you can go to the menu in the right hand corner, select Management Console, and you'll see you now have the option to select Engage Consult Services. Now this allows you to update the patient portal, so when the patient goes on the link on your website to Engage Consult, this is the first page they will see, so the buttons they can select from. So you can see here we've already got some buttons here for us to select from. I can click to reset to default settings. It will confirm that this will be made for all of the account holders and logged out users. So you can see we have the different services we offer. So you'll also notice that we have the start the online medical consultation and submit an admin query separate. So if you just wanted to use the service for medical consultations, for example, you can click in and delete the admin route, so they won't even be able to select admin as a route on the patient journey. So you've got complete control now over how they can use the service. You can also update these buttons, so if you want to update this link, for example, I can click on the button and highlight it blue, click it Edit Service and go in and update any information I need to. And I can also go into Add a Service. So I can select a service, so whether I want that coronavirus information, the health data upload option, the medical consultation route, the admin query route, the self-help, which is the NHS self-help choices, and also I can create a custom one as normal. So I can go in, pop in a title and the subtext and a link to where that service directs to. I've also got the option to make available to logged in users only, so they have to be logged into their account to see this particular service. So once I'm happy with the buttons I have, so the services that I offer to the patients, I can click and drag the buttons to move them to where I want them to show. So I can choose where I want those services to show in the patient portal. So once I'm happy, you can see the ordering has been saved, and I can now go look at the patient portal and you can see it's been updated. So it's uploaded those buttons in the order I've dragged them in.
Editing the service information page.
And then you can select from these services you've added to update any of the information on the information page. So for example, if I wanted to update submit an admin query, I can click and highlight it blue, click Edit Service Information Page, and I can type in my service information text. So I'm popping in what they can use the service for, and you can see you've got various different options at the top there to format that text as well. So if you want it bold, italics, underline, strike through, you get to choose the size of the font, whether it's in a bulleted list, how that shows on the page. You get complete control of how this information is shown to the patient. I can also add links to text, so I'm going to get a link for System Online to add to this particular screen. So I can highlight the text that I want to show that link. Click on the link button and copy and paste that under link target. And click to open that link in a new window and click add, and you can see it's now hyperlinked that for me. So when I now click save, I'm going to go to the patient's portal to show you how that looks. You can see that's been successfully saved. So when I now click through to submit an admin query as a patient, you can see it's updated that text there for me, and it's also added that link in as well. So I can click on that link and be directed to the page I've linked it to.